To pair your phone via Bluetooth to the BMW iDrive 7 operating system, activate the Communications menu by selecting COM on the menu of the control display or by pressing the COM button on the iDrive controller. Select Mobile Devices and then New Device. This is where you'll indicate how you'd like to use the new device. To pair your phone to be used as a telephone and a media source for audio, choose Phone Calls and Audio. If your device is visible to others, it will be shown on the control display as a nearby device. The BMW identity will now appear on your phone. Tap the identity and follow your phone's steps to pair. Once connected, a verification number will display on your device. Confirm this number on the iDrive control display. Once confirmed, your device will appear in the Mobile Devices menu. The icon to the right indicates the main use of the device. Clicking on your device name will open a menu that allows you to change settings, disconnect, or delete the device from iDrive. For more information, you can find additional BMW Genius videos here on our YouTube channel. You can call the BMW Genius hotline or ask a BMW Genius at your nearest BMW center.